Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around a Generation 1 Audi R8, yet another one again. We've gone for a Kenwood double DIN conversion using our custom 3D printed fascia panel, plus a dash cam that also keeps this car protected not only on the road, but also while the vehicle's parked. But before we get on to today's video, make sure you guys at home have subscribed to our YouTube channel, because we've got a massive competition live on our channel at the moment. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5, as well as an Audison Prima amplifier. All the details are in the description below. However, let's get on with today's video. So to start off with, we're going to talk about the dash cam solution, as there's plenty of other videos live already on our YouTube channel of the double DIN conversion. The dash cam solution that we've gone for is something called a Thinkware U1000. It's a 4K image quality front dash camera with a really high quality rear dash camera looking out the rear glass on this occasion. Plus we've got a battery installed. It's something called a Thinkware iVolt battery. In essence, what the system is not only is controlled via your app, and we've actually done a full separate video on exactly how to use the app, how to connect up to the system. So if you are interested in how the app actually works, make sure you go check that out. However, a really nice solution. It's discreetly installed, all gone into fuse box, but it round about sort of 30 minutes or so of driving gives you about 16 hours of recording actually via the actual battery system, with zero draw on your vehicle's battery, which is the very essential part. This vehicle is now protected now on the road, but also while parked. In terms of the double DIN conversion, the added functionality that we've done is immense. In terms of what we've gone for on this particular occasion is our custom 3D printed panel with the custom R8 logo mounted in there. It looks absolutely incredible. Brings that dashboard right up to date, but also adds so much functionality. We've now got wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, but also we've got built-in sat-nav on this occasion as well. We've got CD, we've got DVD, we've got full steering wheel control retention, plus we've also got the Bang & Olufsen system retention as well. In terms of another feature that we've added in, this car didn't come with the stock reversing camera, so we've actually run a physical cable run all the way from the back of the new radio, all the way through engine bay, and actually mounted it on the back bumper. It's really important that that's done in a professional way. The cable run all the way through is protected, not only with conduit, but also with a heat shield that actually protects it, obviously with the engine bay getting very hot. On all performance cars where we have to run a cable across the engine bay, that always gets carried out. In terms of the solution, so much more functionality, but retaining seek on the steering wheel, but also volume control makes a world of difference. You've got all that control right at the touch of your fingertips on your steering wheel. However, you've got a new 7-inch touchscreen featuring all that functionality. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, guys. There are plenty of other R8 videos with different head units, so if you do want to see them, make sure you go check them out. But also make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss anything. But if you are interested in something like this, you know exactly what to do, guys. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. We're more than happy to go through everything in a bit more detail with you. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.